slurry feeding machine can completely replace the workers to fill all kinds of seams quickly, such as ground cracks and ceramic tile gaps. It's often used to do the jointing needed by the installation of security doors, security windows, and air conditioners. Except for the field of home decoration, it can also be widely used in the construction of roads, railway tunnels, city underground, dam-side slopes, urban building projects, and so on. In the production of this machine, we use German transition technology and adopted good quality materials. It's small and light, simple structured and well designed, as well as easy to maintain. The handle on the barrel extra steadier move. To shake the final stops concrete from sticking on the final wall, which makes the incoming material move faster, according to the different needs. It is easy to choose the round or square nozzle, since the nozzle is detachable. It can stop work after you fill the funnel with mixed concrete and turn on the power. Ordinary workers without specific training